Major Greenville employers for those of you that you're relocating to Greenville, North Carolina.
But first, let's hit it. Hi, it's Alan Victoria. Welcome to our Talent Podcast.
And if this is your first time in our podcast YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and get notified.
Honestly, we call text all the time at 252-327-3357. We love talking to you about buying a new home, buying your first home, relocating to the area, and this one's going to be more for relocating. But why do people buy homes? They buy it for safety and security. You're looking for affordability. You're looking for convenience of location, which of course all of Pitt County has in spades compared to the rest of the country. Why else? Because you're looking to build equity. Maybe you're going to check a box in success. You want to have a personal achievement. You want to own a place. And you want a place where your family or your children might thrive. And having your own home really brings that thriving. Now with that, let's talk about seven major pharmaceutical here.
Therefore, today we focusing on 7 major pharmaceutical companies that can give you a lot of jobs and security in Greenville, North Carolina. Saying that first one that is super famous is Thermo Fisher Scientific.
Right, this is a lot of our clients work there. It is what it is, right? So they do a lot of research and diagnostic. They do sterile injectables, pre-filled syringes, and cartridges. And they are collaborative and innovative. They hire people from all over the country, which is why you're probably watching this video.
And if you are in the research, definitely they are big on the research and development.
Number 2, the second big one.
Number 2, it is DSM Dyneema Pharmaceutical.
I left that for him because I couldn't say the word.
Okay,
so it's a developer of drug delivery systems. They have micronized and ultra micronized APIs, which is active pharmaceutical ingredients. They do a lot of it right here in Greenville, North Carolina.
Yes, and this is including the drug and pain management, which for the cancer treatment could be really beneficial. That's why they are super great around here.
Number 3 for these,
which is one of our client actually is started working there, is Catalent.
Catalent is advanced delivery technology. They specialize in soft gel capsules, oral solid dose, control release tablets, which is what I think if I'm sick, I get the most of. But basically, they're known as a fast-paced work and dynamic workplace. They have a lot of career development, and a lot of people come from out of town for that one too.
My wife touch point all of them. Next one is Main Pharma, which basically a company and manufacturer that they're doing really generic products in varieties of the therapeutic areas, no? Mm-hmm. And what else? What about the Greenville side? What they do?
Oral solid dose and controlled release tablets. Again, now that I have figured out what kind of medicine that I'd most likely take,
exactly.
Right?
That is the main, basically, focus in Greenville site. The next one is Patent Pharmaceuticals.
Right, now this is contract developing and manufacturing organization. The Greenville site does soft gel capsules, which I think most of my vitamins are, liquid filled hard capsules, which I tend not to take, some hard ones. But they offer supportive and collaborative work environment. So that's another great one around here.
The next one, number 6, is Greenville Biomed USA, is a leading plasma collection company that actually they collaborate and operate on plasma donation centers across the United States. Therefore, this is another national company that has a Greenville office.
Another one is Metrics Contract Services. This is for contract development and manufacturing organization where they specialize in oral solid doses and sterile injectables. So again, collaborative work environment, and a lot of people work in these places.
And this list that we provided for you that you wanted to live and make money in Greenville, North Carolina, and of course in a place that you can and your family thrive.
Absolutely.
And don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube and podcast, and we love to be in touch with you. Don't forget to call us.